Alright, today we're taking a look at an Oppo. Model number is BDP-80. This was at my parents' house. Complaints were that it wasn't turning on. And sure enough, I ran some quick checks and there was basically, looked like no power internally. So I pulled the power supply board out, and first thing I noticed was the high voltage section. There's a capacitor. It's a 400 volt, 82 microfarad. It was leaking all over the place. The top wasn't split or swelled, so it looks like it just started leaking. So I pulled it out and verified that it actually had failed. Take a look. You can see that it's been leaking. I also measured it, and it just measures an open. So yeah, it's completely failed. That's likely causing the power supply problem. So we're going to replace that, and we're going to show you the results. So I ended up replacing this capacitor. I found one on eBay. Actually, it was a 4-pack Nichicon branded 82 microfarad 400 volt caps. It's about 15 bucks, so pretty decent deal. I doubt if I'll need to replace it again, but I'm going to give this a try now that I swapped it out. Hopefully, once we plug it in, it will actually work. Alright, so let's see, got it plugged in. Oh, good sign. The light's on here. So, yeah, looks like it's waking up. See if we can get this thing to open. Yep, it's all good now. So yeah, simple fix, cap replacement. Just do a quick inspection on the power supply here and see what parts look bad. Typically it's capacitors. Once in a while I'll have diodes go out, and so you can check that with an ohm meter. Anything that's shorted obviously is bad. Also, you want to check this fuse here. In this case it was fine. Alright, hope this helps.